na yung mobile. Ako na yung bayad ng mobile. Somebody who like you. Oh no. Hello everyone. Yeah, I did not live today to yesterday and today. For 2 days, I'm missing you all, my loves. So hope that you will coming back to my live stream. Hope there is the people now, right now. Oh, hello mga pangga. Nasaan na si kayo? Please come and join my live stream today. Hello everyone. What happened? I'm so sad. I don't have already viewers. So where are you mga palangga ko? So sad. Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. Nasaan na si kayo? I'm not so happy because I don't have viewers. I don't know why. Can my